I don't buy into this idea that this is the end of commercial real estate or the end of open floor plans even. This is a moment. I think we will get through it, and other countries are certainly getting through it better than we are in the US. And people want to go back, and there's value in being back and physically present together. So I'm pretty confident, and I'm also confident that when we do go back, we can control these exposures and risks sufficiently. And then my hope is that this spurs that next round of, what else keeps us healthy in our offices and every other place where we spend our time.
Yes, I think that's really interesting. I think we're beginning to recognize, why people do work together and why we do come into work. And yes, there are challenges from the commute. There are challenges from distractions, but I think we're beginning to look at more hybrid styles on how we work. There's times when you need to be at home to concentrate and, to really double down and focus. But there's no doubt in my mind that, work benefits from social interaction. And some of the, serendipitous connections we have at work are really important. The water cooler moments, I think we call them in the US, we call them the coffee bar moments in Europe. So, this focus on healthy buildings is going to be important as time goes on.